Most of us give more than we think, and remember less of it than we'd like. A gift here, a collection there, a box of goods dropped off on a Saturday. Spread across a whole year, it's almost impossible to add up when you need the total. This workbook gives your giving one home and does the math for you. It's a connected system of 8 tabs, not a blank spreadsheet. A recipients list that fills your log, a giving log that totals itself, a non-cash donation log, a year-end summary, and 2 optional worksheets for Zakat and for a tithe. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice, and it comes with 4 guide PDFs. The giving log is the heart of it. Log each gift as you make it. The date, the recipient, a category, whether it was cash or donated goods, and the amount. As you go, the workbook keeps a running total of your giving, the tax-deductible share, and the split between cash and non-cash. A year of giving, adding itself up. Come tax time, open the year-end summary. It reads your whole log and shows the totals, the deductible share, cash versus non-cash, and a breakdown of your giving by category with at-a-glance bars. There's nothing to fill in here. Bring this page and your receipts to your return, and the giving section is a 5-minute job. If you calculate Zakat, there's a worksheet for it. Enter your Zakatable assets, deduct what's due, and set your own threshold and rate. It nets your wealth, tells you whether you've reached nisab, and shows the amount, then tracks what you've already given. It's a calculation tool, not a religious ruling. You set the numbers, it does the arithmetic. And if you give a tithe, its worksheet totals your income and calculates the tithe on whichever basis and rate reflect your own conviction. Like the Zakat tab, it tracks what you've given against it, so a regular monthly gift stays in step without any extra bookkeeping. Prefer Google Sheets? You don't need to import anything. Click the link in your download and choose Make a Copy. The whole workbook lands in your drive, every dropdown and calculated total already set up, and it stays in an account only you control. Unlike a subscription giving app, this file is yours. Your giving history doesn't live on a company's server, and it won't vanish if a payment lapses. Buy it once and own it forever. Find the Charitable Giving and Zakat Tithing Records Workbook at ardentworkshop.com.